Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy SUI on Phantom Wallet. Alright, so your first step would be to make sure your Phantom Wallet is on the latest version. So make sure you use your Play Store or your Apple Store to update your Phantom Wallet. Alright, so with the updated Phantom Wallet, it should look something like this, with the tokens and collectibles together. Alright, so how can you buy yourself a SUI token? Simply click the buy toggle at the top of your screen, click on it, and where it says popular tokens, you'd find Ethereum, Base Ethereum, SUI, Polygon, and Bitcoin. So click on SUI. Once you've selected buy SUI, all you need to do now is simply enter an amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy. So let's say for $10 worth of SUI tokens, you're getting 2.85 SUI tokens, and where it says debit or credit card via Topper, click on this. So we have providers and we have payment method. So a provider is a third party where you can buy your cryptocurrency. Like we have Coinbase Pay for the US and Topper, which offers low prices. So if you click on Topper and then select either debit card or Google Pay, you're gonna make use of any of these options to pay for your stuff. So let's go with debit or credit. Click on continue, and you're going to be taken to an external website where you can simply buy cryptocurrency using your credit card or your debit card, depending on which of them you use. And another thing you need to note is you must have some personal info available to share, as well as your government issued IDs like your SSN and any other info. So buy SUI, you're paying $10 and you're receiving 2.639 SUI, and all you need to do now is click on continue. Your wallet address is shown here, so you can confirm this by either closing this website and checking your SUI wallet address, but mine checks out. So click on continue, and then enter your email or continue with your Google account. And then, like I said, you provide those personal info and you've bought your tokens. All you need to do now is simply head back to your wallet, perform a simple reload, and you'd find the SUI tokens on your wallet here. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.